Anything you need, you just call my name and I'll be right. Anytime you need me.
Good day there friends. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. A little overcast on the outside, but inside it's sunny. Why do I say that? To every smile, there's a sun. Today I'm here checking out another Jamaican restaurant. A few days back I posted on City Caribbean, which is in Haines City, and today I'm here in Winter Haven. Now, I'm not sure if it's by design or not, but it was also hard to find this Jamaican restaurant, Chef Wendell, and I think one of the most interesting things for me meeting Chef Wendell today. He's a Jamaican, of course, and we bear the same last name. Who knows? Who knew? Anyway, today I'm here checking out their menu, and I chose to have, there's no red snapper of course, but that's beside the point. I'm gonna have the grilled swai with some colored greens, fried plantain, and rice and peas. I can't wait to share it with you. Thanks for coming along with me. So my friends, a few things to know. Winter Haven actually have carried two Jamaican restaurants. One is on Highway 544 West, right before, right as you're entering Winter Haven. Oh, good food, but neighborhood is kind of, you know what I mean. Nevertheless, it's still my Jamaican brethren, so I always make sure that I stop by to patronize them. Chef Wendell, Jamaican Kitchen, on the other hand, which is also in Winter Haven. That is a catering kitchen. So for anyone within inside of my video who are interested to have a party catered with authentic Jamaican food, you know where to turn to. 34. The address is let's make sure I have it right. 1506 34th Street, Northwest in Winter Haven. For all your catering needs. Now, I'm still waiting on my meal and I can't wait to begin. I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. So my friends, my food is here. And most Jamaican restaurants, unless you're unless it's a totally fine dining, you will always find to go. But don't let the to-go box fool you. It at times can be very delicious. And I have not dig into this one yet. I'm going to go ahead and do so now. And hopefully I can share the first bite with you. I have, it appears to be fried. Or it is fried swai. For the purpose of this vlog. Let's see. And that is taking off all my gourmet hat for something a little bit local, something a little bit out there. All right, now I'm gonna dig into this and I'll tell you what I think. Okay, like the presentation? All right. My friends, as usual, before I take a bite, you get the first bite. I'll dig in one more time. I call it the taste bud confirmation. So, I'm gonna have a bit of rice. No, you cannot see my plate. Probably need to move the camera out a little bit more. Rice and peas pretty good, but everywhere has a different flavor, which is fine. That's why you sample place after place. Not big on mac and cheese, but it's on my plate. I might have a little. Get the color greenish rice. Very good flavor. Not too salty. So my friends, what's the final analysis? It's a good Jamaican dish. And naturally speaking, about the City Caribbean, I will not pit brothers against brothers. So I'm going to say, Arimon. It's really good food. Tell you a story how I discover this one particular restaurant. I was shopping at a local Jamaican or a local Caribbean store. Place that I can find staple like ackee, saltfish, callaloo, yam, fresh caught fish, you name it. There's this gentleman in front in front of the line with me. Maybe 3 or 4 shopping carts loaded. Oh my goodness gracious, must have a big family. I quipped to myself. But when you turn around, what was wearing was actually a chef jacket. Let's say Chef Wendell. And it's probably about a month ago since I first discovered. I finally get the chance to make it here. So, here I am. So my friends, I start to understand the concept more and more. But oftentimes the portion is so large that at the end of the day, you may want to take the rest home with you. There comes the convenience of serving in styrofoam ready to go. So, to me, that's the logic behind the to-go concept, even when you're dining in. My friends, the portion was too large for me. I think I eat more when I have a glass of wine in my hand. That's the absence from this dish. Not the kind that like to drink, and I'm sure there's a lot of Jamaican specialty drinks over there, but I don't do the soft drinks. I don't do soda, period. And as a matter of principle, my water is room temperature. So, health principle that is. And so, this is how far I can go. The rest is going with me. Oh, thanks for coming along with me. Exploring the Jamaican restaurants, where to find them. This is pretty much a local eat series. That's my second video now that I push for locality. All from the fancy tablecloth and the gourmet presentation to a little bit of local bite. So I am glad I'm able to share it with you. So my friends, until next time, this is Jamaican in the Move, saying one love. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Very important. Until then, peace. Love you, my friends.